Hello guys, so we have some breaking news right now. We just dropped in the last 20 minutes or thereabouts. So David Ornstein don't confirm, say yes, Arsenal are in the process of completing Victor Gyokeres transfer. So let me show you how David Ornstein, I first start with Ornstein because now Ornstein first breaker. So Ornstein say Arsenal in the process of completing move for Victor Gyokeres after taking final steps in negotiations with Sporting Lisbon. Arsenal made formal advances on the deal terms over the weekend in a bid to secure the 27-year-old Sporting striker 5 years contract lined up. Then Charles Watt follow up. As reported by David Ornstein and Hand of Arsenal, Arsenal are now on the verge of completing their long-awaited move for Victor Gyokeres. After negotiations today with Sporting, the move now is in the final stages. Now, transfer news like this now. Everybody just dey break the news. Everybody dey break am. Fabrizio Romano breaking. Arsenal moving to final stages of Victor Gyokeres deal after new talks. Negotiations advancing for Gyokeres move as Arsenal are willing to get closer to the 70 fixed and the 10 million in add-ons. So talks never stopped despite reports of deal is off. And Gyokeres finally very close to join the Arsenal. You see why I tell people say, make una no dey fear, make una no dey panic. No dey let people dey gaslight una, dey give una propaganda, dey make una dey fear. Deadline wey Ateta set never reach. Now they never run am. You remember the report wey Graham Bailey put out when they talk say these people will dey enter. Gyokeres dey prepare to travel go England because he don already say Arsenal go run am. You get. Apart from that, go back in time. John Cross of the Mirror said the next 48 hours everywhere go stew. You get. Nobody 48 hours with this na everything don good. So when you get some sources where they put your mind at rest, say make it calm. Now go the well, I dey very very happy. This news I be wan leave and say later no. They know they leave this kind of news. So make I just drop am now, make the celebration dey go on. Wetin we dey wait for now. Here we go. Moko know whether we go hear the here we go today. I will go hear the here we go some other time. Alright guys, so as we are in the evening news tonight, if I get more expanded report of this particular story, I will still let you know. Alright guys, as we are.